problem is integral of negative 5 over 4x minus 2 dx. First, we're going to set our u. Our u is 4x minus 2. We're going to find our derivative of u. Du over dx is equals to 4. Then, our dx is du over 4. So, let's proceed to our problem. Integral of negative 5 over u times dx du over 4. Now, we have the value of integral of negative 5 du over 4u. Let's put the value of negative 5 over 4 outside the integral. Then, we're going to simplify the problem. Negative 5 over 4 integral of u raised to negative 1 du. Now we're going to use the standard integration. We're going to add plus 1 to our exponent, and we're going to put a denominator of n plus 1. Negative 5 over 4 integral of u raised to negative 1 plus 1 over negative 1 plus 1. Then rewrite u raised to 5 over 4 ln u plus c. Then we're going to substitute the value of u. Negative 5 over 4 ln 4x minus 2 plus c. Now we have the answer for integral of negative 5 over 4x minus 2 dx. So our problem is integral of sine 4x plus 2 times cosine of 4x plus 2 dx. We set our u as sine 4x plus 2. Now first we're going to get the derivative of u over dx, which is 4 cosine 4x plus 2. Then next we're going to get the value of dx. Dx is equals to du over 4 cosine of 4x plus 2. Then let's proceed to our problem. Let's substitute the u. Integral of u times dx integral of u times cosine of 4x plus 2, then times dx times derivative of u over 4 cosine of 4x plus 2. Cancel the same equation. Then we're going to put outside the 1/4. Then integral of u times du. Then we're going to use the standard integration. U raised to 2 over 2 plus c is equals to 1/8 u squared plus c. Then we're going to substitute the value of u. 1/8 Value of u is sine squared of 4x plus 2 plus c. Now we have the integration of sine 4x plus 2 times cosine of 4x plus 2 dx. So our problem is x times square root of 3 plus 2x. First, let's set our u. The value of u is equals to 3 plus 2x. But first, let's simplify the problem. X square root of 3 plus 2x. If we simplify it, then we're going to have x times 3 plus 2x raised to 1 half. Because the value of square root is 1 half. Then let's proceed to our problem. First, we're going to find the value of x. We're going to use the value of u to find the value of x. First, we're going to multiply it by 2 to cancel the square root. We're going to have u squared is equals to 3 plus 2x. The 1 half is cancelled. Then we're going to transpose the value of 3. U squared minus 3 over 2 is equals to x. Then next, we're going to proceed to our problem. Integral of u squared minus 3 over 2 times u. Then we're going to find the value of dx. Derivative of x over du is equals. We're going to find the derivative of u squared minus 3 over 2. But first, let's simplify it. U squared minus 3 over 2. We're going to separate them. U squared over 2 minus 3 over 2. We're going to use general power here, so it's going to be 2u over 2 minus 3 half cancel. We have the value of u. In deriving the derivative of constant, we have it's going to be 0. So constant is 0. Now we have the value of u. Then we're going to multiply it by du to get the value of dx. Dx is equals to u times derivative of u. Then multiply the value here times u times derivative of u. Now we have to multiply. Now we have u raised to 4 minus 3u squared over 2 du. We're going to use standard integration here, where we add plus 1 to the exponent and put the n plus 1 to the denominator. U raised to 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. We have the value of 2 here. Minus 3u raised to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 times 2 plus c is equals to u raised to 5 over 10 minus 3 u raised to cube over 6 plus c. Cancel. Now we're going to substitute the value of u to this equation. 3 plus 2x raised to 1 half times raised to 5 over 10 minus 3 plus 2x raised to 1 half times 3 over 2 plus c. Now we have the value of square root of 3 plus 2x raised to 5th over 10 minus square root of 3 plus 2x raised to 3 over 2 plus c. Now we have the integral of the value of x square root of 3 plus 2x dx.